napapasigaw ko ng
Na-na-na-na e-learning, na-na-na-na this is scam, na-na-na-na e-learning, everyone just learn our job. Few times we're doing chem, you get stuck and need the help. You don't know how to solve empirical molecular. Oh, 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 substance masses and then the most. Oh, 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 ratio and then the formula. Empirical formula. They put the substance and the mass. They give percents on the graphs. Gotta use to find the most. Mass over atomic mass. Ratio comes next to that. Now you take the mole and then divide it by number. The smallest number. The smallest number of the smallest. Let's use the ratio as the subscripts and then unite. Na 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 na. Empirical formula. Na 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 na. Empirical formula. Molecular formula. Use the given molar mass. Divide by the molar mass of empirical formula. You round the number, and then you found the letter N. You found the number, and then you found the letter N. Distribute it to subscript of empirical formula. Distribute it to subscript of empirical formula. Oh, 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 oh. Substance masses and then the most. Oh, 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 oh. Ratio and then the formula.